You eat the back.
You peel the back?
Yeah, you eat it. You eat the back.
Okay, eat the back. You said the name is what?
Kurna.
Yes.
Yes.
Kurna. Oh, the mama.
Olives, African olives. The one we ate on the road that day.
So right now we are at Taminus Market in Jos. So this is actually the biggest market that you find in Jos. And right here you can get all kinds of items, from household things to fruits to food and all of that. So if you get a chance to visit Jos, this is one of the markets that you should actually visit, because right here you can really buy things at a very cheap price. Alright, so I'm going to take you into the market so you can see how the market looks like, and also we'll try to price a couple of things so you can compare the price of things being sold in Jos versus the one that is being sold in other parts of Nigeria. How much is it?
100 naira pot.
Okay. What is it? What is this?
Okay, na Rabina.
What do you mean, Rabina?
You know
Black
Rabina?
orange.
Black orange.
orange.
Okay. This is black orange. Okay. Now 1 cup 100 naira. So we are currently, testing out blackcurrant. As you guys, if you have been following my video, you probably have known by now that in Jos, in Plateau State, this thing is actually found here, and that is what we are testing out right now in the market. And we'll be able to we got a cup of it for just 100 naira. Now, if you go to places like Abuja or other places in Nigeria, you may not even find them selling this thing there. So that's the thing. All right. So this is really, really nice. So when if you come to Jos, it's some of the things that you actually enjoy when you come to Jos. Blackcurrant. Okay. So some people actually farm this blackcurrant in a very commercial quantity, while others just farm it a little in their backyard and all of that. Okay, it's one of those exotic fruits that they have here in Jos. And if you have not seen our documentary on exotic fruits, farming in Jos, you can actually also check it out right now. So we're going to still move around the market and see other things that they sell here and find out the price of things here in Jos. That's not only female they sell around this side. Huh? That's not only female they sell around this side. Give me this one. Kurna.
Yes.
That one. Why buy too much now? Let's buy the smallest.
Yeah, that is smallest.
Eh?
That is smallest.
So collect less than I go hold time.
No, but give me one.
Let me try Kurna. Let's try this. Do you eat it? You eat it?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh, the mama.
no.
1, 2 for a modo. If I don't want to buy modo, can I buy small one?
Small one there.
All the smallest I can buy. Trying out kuli kuli. Yes. This is called kuli kuli in Nigeria. I don't know what the English name is. It's actually made from groundnuts. Alright? So right there, I'm gonna try it out. Mobile modu. You go share that. Mobile modu, you go share that.
How much? Which kind of
Thank you, fine.
900.
Which up, Gary? 3-1.
Which one? Which one? This one Jamila.
How much we modu? 350. You not get red, Gary.
Which one do this one and this one? Now Jamila now. So why this one be 900? This one is very light. Parboil. Light. Parboil this one. New yam is our old yam. New yam.
New yam.
New yam.
How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5 or 5? Huh?
3, 5, 3, 5.
What was the last? 1, 5. What's your last? I just want one. Let's go for all these Igbo people, they don't turn to real Northerners. These are the ones that will not go back tonight. Go back, even if you divide this country, they won't want to go back. But they feel more comfortable in the north. But this kulikuli is not made in this town. Is it made here? In this town?
Yeah, I've never been to this part of the market.
Golden more.
These are local candies.
What is it?
Local candies.
Who does it?
They make it.
And there's a
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
how much?
20 naira.
How does it taste?
It's been a long time I ate it, but it's nice.
Eaten it before?
I've never eaten these ones that are colored like this. Usually the white and the brown, I know. This is new, huh? New style, no? New style.
They say it's local candy. I don't know what they use in making this. What did they use in making it?
You know, what did you make it? What did you make it?
Jesus.
Sugar.
It's just full of sugar. They using what? They use what?
Sugar.
Sugar. And what?
Sugar and waiting. Color. Waiting. Sugar and what? Only sugar.
People actually buy this and eat in the north. They just use sugar to make all of this. Man. It's crazy. Ah!
Very sweet.
Which kind of sweet? They leave sugar. It's very sweet. Don't kill yourself.